Hello, my name is James Harty from the Teaching and Learning IT team at IT Services. Welcome to this session on Panopto Ultra. Let's see how to set up the Panopto Lecture Capture Service folder in the Blackboard Ultra module. From the Blackboard Ultra content page, you'll see a menu on the right-hand side. This lists all the main options that are available in an Ultra module. Go down to Books and Tools and select View Module and Institutional Tools. You'll see the option for Panopto Lecture Capture. Click the plus icon next to it to add it into your content area. The newly created Panopto folder will be called Panopto Lecture Capture. Click it to open it up. It will look similar to how Panopto looked in a Blackboard original module. A Panopto folder has now been created where you can record and save all your recordings for this module. Your lecture is now configured for Panopto, and please bear in mind that you only have to do this once. Click the share icon on the top right. The Panopto folder has two kinds of share settings set up by default. It will have a creator share for all the enrolled instructors and a viewer share for all enrolled students. These settings allow students to view any videos stored in this module. Lecturers can do the same, but can also create and edit videos. If you click the blue Create button, you'll see that the same options appear as it would for Panopto in an original module. This means that from a staff perspective, nothing has changed with Panopto. The only difference is around how you interact with Panopto in the Ultra module.